Today we are talking about something that's really important, which is packing your embarkation bag. Now, trust me, having the right essentials in your embarkation bag is going to make your first day of sailing so much smoother. Hi, I'm Crystal. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Now today we are packing my embarkation bag because tomorrow Marshall and I are getting on a cruise ship and I need to get packing. So first of all, let's talk about why you need an embarkation bag. Now normally I have two bags, one medium to large suitcase that I have all of my clothes and shoes and all the stuff I'm going to need on the cruise ship. That I give to the porter and then they will put it on the ship for me later. And then I walk on board and go through security with my embarkation bag. Now, when you leave your luggage with the porter, it can take several hours for your luggage to get to you, whether that's, in your stateroom or out in the hallway outside your stateroom. And you're going to want items that you want for day one packed in your embarkation bag, just in case that suitcase is going to take a long time to get to you. So I have 3 different sized embarkation bags. I want to show you when and why I would use that particular bag. So first up, keep in mind that because you do need to go through security before you get on board, your embarkation bag is going to need to go through the X-ray machine. Now, it depends on what port you're at, how big of a suitcase you can bring, but typically these X-ray machines are about the same size as what you have in the airport. So this is a standard size carry-on suitcase that I take as an embarkation bag when I am working on board the ship, because in here I can put my laptops, my planner, I take, a bag with all the peripherals that I might need to work on board. I have, pens, highlighters, all the stuff, plus all of this stuff that I'm going to show you in a few minutes that I take on board with me. So that's when I would use this size suitcase. Next up, I have this smaller luggage piece. Now this is if I don't want to carry like a backpack or a bag. This has wheels. This is by London Fog, and it also has the handle that I can pull up. So this bag I really like. It's got a compartment in the front. It's got a compartment in the top. It also has one on the side, so I can put a water bottle in there or something. And then here is the larger pocket, but it also does have additional pockets for me to use. So I really like this suitcase. It's a very small carry-on. It does fit under the airplane seat, and also it's very convenient size to take on board the ship. In this particular instance, because I'm bringing very little on board, because this is really just a long weekend cruise, so I don't need to work and I'm ready to carry on a bag, which is going to be, in this case, my backpack. This has a lot of pockets. I'll link it below in case you're interested. I got this when we were going on a transatlantic cruise this spring, and I needed to be able to have a lot of pockets, and I was also worried about some security stuff and whatnot, so that's why I got this bag. Now this goes to my back, and this is a sort of a secret pocket, which is where I put the very first most essential thing that you're going to need to get on board, which is your ID. This is my passport, which I put right in here. I also will have my cell phone fully charged, ready to go. It will have my set sail pass, which is what you need to get on board as well at Royal Caribbean. So I have those 2 most essential things that I will be asked to show at the port before I'm allowed to get on board. So I'll put that there. Next up, I am going to pack items that I will need on day one. Like I said, if I'm gonna go in the swimming pool or the hot tub, I'm gonna have a bathing suit and also a bathing suit cover-up. To be out in the sun, I'm gonna want my sunscreen, which is in this bag. I have 30 and 50. So I will put that in there as well. And also my sunglasses. Next, I also have items for things that I want to be able to enjoy that day or do for activities. So I will put my iPods in here. I will also pack, I have a book that I'm currently reading along with my reading glasses that I will put in here as well. Now, I would say probably the second most important thing you can put in your embarkation bag is your medications. On the last cruise we were on, there was someone down the hall from us who had put their essential meds, and some of them also had to be refrigerated. They put them in their checked bag, and it took a long time for that suitcase to arrive. So just please do not make that mistake. Put your essential meds in your embarkation bag. That way you'll be sure to have them. Now, the other thing, I'm not packing because the outfit that I'm wearing on board, I could wear to dinner. But if you're getting on board with an outfit you wouldn't want to wear to dinner, I would go ahead and put my dinner outfit in this bag as well, along with any shoes I might need for that. Lastly, I would put in my tech stuff. I want to make sure these are all fully charged before I get on board. So I will take those, and then I also take my chargers just in case. Now also, since we're talking about technology, be sure you download the Cruise Lines app. That's where you can see what restaurants are open during that time, what activities are going on, and it also has the ship deck plans on it. So to help you get around the ship, that's helpful. So that is everything I have and take in my embarkation bag. And now I am ready to go. And we're going to be filming our cruise that's coming up. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more videos about ships, trips, and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.